Hello students, welcome to the video of sectors of Indian economy. In this chapter, we will study about different sectors of economic activities. So first of all, we should know what is economy. The economy is a framework in which economic activities take place and therefore gives income in return. We divide them into different sectors. So here we see what are sectors? An area of the economy in which business share the same or a related product or service. Economy are comprised of four sectors or five sectors also. The primary sector involves the extraction and harvesting of natural products from the earth. The secondary sector consists of processing, manufacturing and construction, and the tertiary sector provides services such as retail sales, entertainment and financial sector is made up of intellectual pursuits like education. The fifth sector is all about decision making. Here we see economic activities are classified in groups using some important criterion. These groups are known as sectors of economy. So people around us are engaged in different activities to earn livelihood. Some may be producing goods while others may be delivering services. As you can see in the pictures, here we see the classification of economic activities on the work nature, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Now the another sectors on the basis of activities are quaternary and quinary, and on the basis of working condition they are segregated as organized and unorganized, and on the basis of ownership they are classified as public and private. First, we will see about primary sector. So, the economic activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources, for example, agriculture, fishing, mining, falls under the primary sector. So, on the basis of nature of activities being performed, primary sector, it is the sector of an economy making direct use of natural resources. It is called primary sector because it forms all the base of all other products that we subsequently make. It means that without the primary sector, other industries cannot exist because we get the raw materials from the primary sector. So this includes agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, quarrying. In the primary sector, they may consume the natural resources and their production may take many years. So we can see here the different forests which fall under primary sector. Here we can see few pictures of primary activities where people are working in the field, fishing, water harvesting, then animal husbandry. These are different activities which people are doing here. They fall under primary activities. Secondly, we see the secondary sector, which is also known as manufacturing sector. So the economic activities which are released to the manufacturing process, for example, manufacturing of steel, falls under secondary sector. Secondary sectors are also called as manufacturing sector. It includes those economic sector that create a finished tangible product, production of goods and construction. It is the next step after primary where the product is not produced by nature but has to be made. The industrial sector generally takes the output of the primary sector and manufactures finished goods. Here we see the pictures of some secondary sector, the industries of different pictures which are showing the industrial sector. Now we come to tertiary sector. The third sector is the tertiary sector. It is also called the service sector. So the economic activities that are mostly based on providing service to the society like transportation, banking, insurance falls under tertiary sector. Also the people who give their service as lawyers, the teachers, the doctors, they all fall under tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, as I have already told you, is also known as the service sector, and it helps to develop the primary and secondary sectors. These activities do not produce goods but they are in aid and support to the production process. It means service sector does not manufacture anything, but they help to manufacture products. For example, transportation. They produce goods need to move by truck or rail, etc., from the factory to consumers. Storage, to store them to at one place. Communication, talking to clients, people on phone, banking, borrowing money from the banks. So these all show that the service which we provide, they all come under tertiary sector. So here the pictures of tertiary activities. With that, we come to the end of this video. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you, children.